Hello, guys. This is Ken here from the Rug Detective Show, coming back to you with another episode. Hope you're doing fantastic, no matter where you are, and keeping yourself above water. Obviously, we've seen a bit of a retracement in terms of BTC and ETH. I think literally across the whole global market. So this is where you really need to utilize good risk management and understand what you're looking for before you jump in. So let's get straight to it. Today we're going to do a review about a company called Covalent. I hope I'm pronouncing it right and not butchering their name. Yes. And please, in the meantime, make sure you like, subscribe, and follow me on YouTube. I really appreciate the support from the community. We're really growing and scaling now. Phenomenal growth, taking the next step. Why? Because we're providing as much value as possible. Yes, people are absorbing the content and they're going and literally implementing and taking action. This is what we're here for. We are not looking to just sit and read. We are looking to take the information, bite-sized information, and implement it and literally make money. This is what we're here for. Short and sharp, make money, enjoy, grow, and what? Feed our familia. So anyway, so this company, Covalent, and also please go to Twitter and like, subscribe. I have a free checklist, a free DeFi checklist, which gives you a full breakdown of what you need to do and go through, the steps you take before you even consider entering a trade. Okay, so it's quite in depth and I'm expanding on it on a daily basis, not just the free, but we also have a VIP advanced version for the Patreon members, providing immense support. So just go there if you need any help, so assistance. So, okay, this company is the data powering the DeFi economy. So essentially what they do is they provide a unified API to bring a full transparency and visibility to assets across all blockchain networks. So they're really providing this type of cross-chain type scenario to really, enable this API, application interface for transparent. I think this is extremely important. Why? Because there's so many different blockchain networks that's being built on the stack, So the question is from Polkadot to Cosmos, so there's so many new and growing ones that we haven't even heard of. So how could one integrate all of these interesting solutions? And it seems that they're trying to provide this. So it's quite unique. So absolute richest blockchain data on the internet. So our vision is to empower pioneers of tomorrow by providing the richest and most robust. Okay, so they've got 25 billion rich transaction indexed, including every transaction since Genesis. Okay, this is just more stats. Ecosystem partners, this is what we're looking for. We want to know, what do you have? Do you have an existing product? Who are your partners? What's the relationship that you have? So we've got well-known consensus here, CoinGecko, Scalematic, so very well-known names in the space, which really aims to build authority. Polkastarter up. So what I tend to see a lot on these websites are the nice, pretty pictures of logos of partners, but there are no links. So let's just see what they have here. Okay, good. So it's a link which basically goes to the site Blockchain Application Suite for Next Generation. And it goes through information here about who they have relationships with. So what you want to do is find out on this specific link that they've directed you to, where does it show about Covalent within there, right? So I'm going to basically just type in here Covalent to see if anything comes up. So I'm just doing a search and nothing comes up on this page for the company. So I was thinking outside the box. Let's go to Matic. There's a link, goes to their site. It just seems like it's going to their homepage. So what I'm going to do a search to see what comes up. Nothing showing. So my question then will be, that's the first question I'm going to ask is, okay, fantastic. I'm going to copy, I'm going to create a new tab, which I've already done. I'm going to add the website details here, as you can see. And then I'm going to then start saying here in this area, I'll say, and I think I even have a section lower down if I can find it in terms of partnerships. Yeah, partnerships. I'll say they have So what I'm basically just saying is that they have a lot of partners, but would like to see their name on the company's website, right? So like you have the partners and you have these links, which is going through. That's all good and well, but show me the relationship. If you're going to have a link, I want to see a link to a press release of this company connected to Covalent, right? Seems a bit slow here. I want to see a link to Reef connected to. So give me a better understanding. So let's continue. Built for enterprise, available for all. Good. So they do have these nice little slogans. So what they're offering, every single wallet application on Ethereum aggregates data across various DeFi protocols using Covalent. Okay. So very nice in terms of what they're trying to provide. If they have something that they can execute, they can really do extremely well if they have a team. So get token balances, one-stop shop for blockchain data. That's very good. Here, get Uniswap feed to version 2 network assets, get historical holders of any ERC20. Okay, good. So they want to basically show historical token holders of any ERC. So it's really going back in terms of data. That's fine. So I think that what they're trying to do is provide aggregates data across various. They want to provide, this seems to be like a B2B type solution for these different companies. So they're not really looking from a consumer aspect or from the trader. They're really connecting it from all these various projects that are running on these blockchain networks and finding a solution for them. And I presume charging some form of a revenue model, a SaaS model, a type of software as a service, a monthly fee or a license type structure. Get free API. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to literally connect to get a free API. I'm going to create an account there and then really start testing it. So what I do like here already, they have something that you can go ahead and test, right? They're offering you something for free. Go ahead, test, check to see if we have something of a good level for you to be really interested in next step. And this is from a company aspect, and this is also from a trader or an investor. We want to know, what do you really have? Because there are so many companies right now. Okay, that's cool. So it seems also they have a team that good. So they have a doxed team. I like to see that. And that was the next question I was going to answer. What they have here, they have links, clear links going to the LinkedIn, clear links going to their GitHub. Very good. I would have liked to actually had a photo here, but notwithstanding. So clearly has that he's basically CEO of the company, which is good. And it gives you a breakdown of his experience. So Covalent closes 3.1 million round. So this is information we want to see, right? This is about due diligence. So I've clicked on a link just to find out more, and I can read the blog post. So I'm going to go ahead and read the blog post and understand who are their backers. What was the raise? What's the current valuation? This is all about the tokenomics, right? So this is the research that they're doing. And just to let you know, guys, very soon, I'm really working hard in the background here, is we're going to get to a point very soon, probably within the next 3 to 6 months, whereby we are going to actually start looking at communicating and looking for projects, not from a private sale, pre-sale level, but from a seed level, or even further to grassroots projects of looking for developers, individuals that are strong in marketing, and really building teams. And then what we're going to do is help to fund it. So we're going from a community grassroots up, so from bottom up approach, where we see these phenomenal type of teams, and we will assist them with marketing, with funding, and then we can connect them to other backers, and we can build a fund. And what that then means is that you're getting in from the ground in terms of assisting with any skill sets you have to help a company grow, but then also providing capital when you're getting a price prior to seed or seed level, right? When it's at, let's say, 20 cents, because by the time it gets listed and it's gone through private, pre-sale, those levels, it probably will list at about $2, right? Or $3. So there's a 10x immediately. So this is what I'm going to start doing within the next 3 to 6 months, is sourcing these early opportunities, just to let you know. So, okay, so this is information good. So they've already closed around, promising. So it shows that people are interested. And now I can clearly see like CoinGecko's there back. So CoinGecko is clearly investing as well as showing in terms of data. They're also, so data for because if you don't know, but CoinGecko obviously provides and shows the charts. So CoinGecko. So this is a chart you can go to and find out the market cap of all the different assets and so on and so forth. So this is more for consumers, but it also seems to be backing early projects. So this is where it goes. So this is a breakdown of what they're doing here. Oversubscribed funding round to build the future of blockchain data analytics. That's good. So it's promising. They've got a team. They're doxed. So we'll click on here to see what comes up with this individual. CTO, clearly doxed. I can see his face. I definitely leave you should tell your CEO to add a photo to LinkedIn. That would be extremely important. So you can go through his background information, which is extremely important. What I'm going to do here is click on this link. And then basically after that here, let's see. So this is the company, right? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this and then I'm going to paste this into the section which tells me about LinkedIn, right? So LinkedIn's here, paste this here. So this is, you're talking about homework. This is homework, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, don't put your money in something where you haven't done your homework. In essence, this would really only take you 30 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes to go through this, but I'm going through probably about 100 projects on a weekly basis, really looking for the top ones, spending time to go through this for myself, obviously, and also for my community. So I'll add this then, I'll go through. So Docs team, website's clean, they have backers, they've raised 3.1 million already. So we're going down. They're about to list soon because I've been communicating with some of the admin. I'm also going to reach out to them on Discord here. So I'm going to reach out to them on Discord and communicate with the dev team and then speak to the owner or whoever the lead dev just to find out more information here. I'm also going to download, get the free API link so I can be able to test it out. So this is some reading material for me. So there goes reading material for me to go through. So let's just continue going down the specific site. I would say to them here, once you go to the platform with API, this link does not work. So when you click on a logo, it doesn't work. So I would definitely recommend that they add a link to that as soon as possible. Just some advice, you're welcome. So, okay. And then I would definitely recommend that these links should go to some form of a press release or say these are just the relationships, because right now it's just going to the website. Or I would say to them, have the specific blog post. Do they even have a blog post here? Okay, blog. So I would actually have a blog here or snippet of the fundraising, say we've raised 3.1 million from these partners. It just really helps because a lot of people are not going to spend time to go through what we do. They're going to be like, oh, well, how much do they raise? What's going on here? Where's the relationship? So this is to really help them. Okay, that's good here. So let's go down. So our backers, good. So backers here, I would like to have this higher up in terms of blog. So if I click on this link, again, this link just goes to the specific site and it should just go to a link of a press release. If they don't have a press release, they should have a press release from every single backer. That builds the trust. Okay, speak with a product expert. I do like how they have an opportunity that you can speak to someone. Does it work? Yes, it does. So schedule a meeting with, okay, so you're scheduling a meeting with actually the CEO. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to schedule a meeting. I'm going to schedule a meeting with the CEO. And then also what I'm going to do is I'm going to do an AMA. So maybe we can do a live stream of the meeting with the CEO. So let me just add this as extra reading material here that I'll place lower down. So I'm adding this here, demo. Sorry, I'm going to put it here, it's the wrong place. Paste here, delete. Then when I go here, schedule a meeting with the CEO, and then I'll put stream it live. Sorry about that. That's Bella, my lovely Australian Shepherd puppy, sleeping and in the background making some noises. Think she's having a nice dream. So this is what you go through in terms of the breakdown of the DeFi checklist. So there's a lot to go through. I'm not going to spend time, but I'm going to basically fill this out, and then go on to, then what I'll be doing is I'll be going on to Twitter, I'll be going to Telegram, I'll be going to Discord, asking information. They seem to have a product already because you can get a free API key. So I want to see where they are along the roadmap, and then know when. Apparently this quarter they're going to list. So it looks like it's going to be probably in a few weeks. So we like to get prepared. No one's really talking about them too much, and I like that. So we can really get prepared for that. So that's about it, guys. So anyway, if you really enjoy this, please like, subscribe, and follow. If you like to receive where I'm actually giving updates in terms of trading opportunities that's happening immediately without prior notice, I do that in the Patreon group. Rankings of top projects, risk management course we're coming up with. We're also setting up a Discord group for the VIP members so we can really communicate and interact. So there's a lot of interesting things we're doing. So anyway, thanks for your time. Love you all lots. Thanks for the support, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.